Hey everyone, I'm WIGOwarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, this here is the first Ipsy of the year, January 2023. I do not remember what I got. If anyone isn't aware of what Ipsy is, it's a beauty subscription. It's $28 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee. We'll just refer to it as a $30 bag. It comes with 5 full-size beauty products, and you get to select 3 of the 5 products. So you would think I would know what's in this bag. They even show you on screen or on your phone as soon as you make your selections. But that was a month ago. Over a month ago. No, 2 weeks ago. Feels like a month ago. I still don't remember. Well, I take it back. I think I remember one of the products. All right, this here is the bag this month. It is super cute. It's like a really nice purple flowers with some little yellow bits. It isn't giving me January vibes, but it's really cute. All right, first item. Oh, yes. Okay, it's coming back to me. This is the item I remembered. All right, so this is from KVD Beauty. It's the Good Apple Skin Reflecting Foundation Balm. Now, I do already own it, and what bummed me out is that I didn't get to select the shade. On BoxyCharm, you can select the shade of a foundation. Ipsy, they just send it based off of your profile. And as a litmus test, they got it right-ish. So I have the shade Light 004, and what they sent me is Light 004. Where I say ish is this is a little too light, and had I been able to select, I would have gone up a shade. I'm actually wearing it today. If anyone is curious how this product performs, I actually have a review video, which I'll link in the card above. The foundation balm retails for $40.50. Why 50 cents? But it does. I picked it up half price, I want to say during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. All right, next product. What do we have here? Feels like it's going to be skincare. This here is FLEUR BEE Nectar of the Sea Vitamin C Serum. Oh, yes. Okay, I believe this is one of the products Ipsy threw in our bag for us. Let me see how much this retails for. All right, this is what the product packaging looks like. So I'm glad to see it's a dark bottle. That way the efficacy of the vitamin C can maintain for a longer period of time. It is 1 fluid ounce and retails for $46. I am not familiar with this brand. I also saw some Reddit posts where some people didn't get this in their box. So yay me. All right, next product. All right, I don't know what it is, but it's lightweight and tiny. Okay, so this is from PURLISSE. Shut up. This is a Perfection BB Concealer. I totally don't remember getting a foundation and a concealer in the same box? Hold on, is this possibly an add-on? 10 ml. Is that sample size? Let me look on the app, because if you're new here, welcome. Feel free to click that like button and subscribe. My memory is crap. I'm 56. Holy cow, no, this is a product I selected. It is full size. I am shook, stunned, amazed to get a foundation and a concealer in the same month of a beauty subscription that only costs $30. That is insane, because I love complexion products, and between BoxyCharm and Ipsy, you will get a foundation maybe twice a year. So to get both in the same month, wow. Okay, it does come safety sealed. I'm super curious how well they selected the color for me. By the way, what shade did they send me? Okay, so this is in Fair, which to me seems like maybe they didn't have a ton. Oh, but that looks fantastic. All right. If you've used this before, leave me a comment and let me know how good of a product it is. I may even do a separate review video. And by the way, that retails for $28. This, I don't want to jinx anything, But so far, this is like one of the better Ipsy boxes I've seen in a long time. All right, what else did I get? All right, we have another box that seems to possibly be makeup. Yes. All right, so this is from SHAINA Bee Miami, and it's a lip gloss. I love lip gloss. Oh, in my BoxyCharm, I also got something from SHAINA Bee. Interesting. SHAINA Bee is making the rounds. Oh, beautiful. That is seriously giving me Pat McGrath vibes. Now, I know nothing about the formula, but just the packaging and the actual shade of this lip gloss. Well, it's slightly darker. Here's the Pat McGrath and here's the SHAINA Bee. But the packaging, identical. All right, this lip gloss retails for $18. It has kind of a smaller doe foot, but it kind of dips up slightly and comes to a point. Does it have a scent? Ooh, it does. Like the standard sweet kind of vanilla-y cupcake kind of scent, but not super strong. Let's do a swatch. That is beautiful and right up my alley. Now, I normally would do a try on, but I legit have at least 6 different lip glosses on. I couldn't find a color I wanted. Who am I kidding? Let's see how much we can pile on. Very comfortable, not sticky, nor thick. I'm finding I do not care for thick lip glosses. Can we say 4 out of 4 good? That is shocking and amazing. All right, and the last item, ooh, it's a palette. That is really pretty packaging. Who is this from? Okay, Winky Lux. This is the Latte Kitten palette. Ooh, looking at the back of the box, it looks like it's gonna be something right up my alley. All right, how do you open this box? There we go. The palette design mirrors the outer packaging. Ooh, yes. Come to mama. All right, so it's a beautiful neutral with some mauve pinks. Yes. The size of this palette is giving me ColourPop vibes. I actually love palettes this size with 9 pans. What does that retail for? The palette retails for $25, which is more expensive than ColourPop, but less expensive than other palettes we receive in this box. I almost forgot. Do you remember how last month, the December bag, I got a product and it was broken? I think it was the Truly body scrub. I don't know. It was a big jar of something and the lid was broken. Contacted Ipsy customer support and they gave me, I want to say like 600 points. And then they said they would send a replacement, but that if it wasn't around, I would get something else. I can already tell I got something else because it's square and not a round jar and is very light. But let's see what they gave me. And actually, for once, I'm not upset because I wasn't really thrilled about that product. So hopefully it was a good oopsie and I got something better. Please don't be a cleanser. Oh, okay, it's from PURLISSE, so we're starting off good. I'll let you see before I do. What are you? Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask Exfoliant. Bum, bum, bum. I'm a lazy girl. I don't use masks, the kind where you put on, you got to sit there for 20 minutes and wash it off your face. The only kind of masks I do are the kind where you can put it on at night, go to bed, and then you're good. Ugh. For half a second, I was excited. All right, yeah, it's a 10-minute facial. Gently resurfaces, detoxifies, brightens. 10 minutes. No, I'm still lazy, but I've been known to take a 10-minute long shower. That's the only place I would do it because I don't like getting my hair wet and blah, 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 blah. You don't need to hear about me being picky, fussy, and lazy. But I think I might give it a try and throw it in my shower. All right, 10 minutes, you sold me. And who does it really? 10 minutes? If it's 8 minutes, does that really matter? Probably not. All right, let's recap everything I got in the January 2023 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I got a vitamin C serum from FLEUR BEE, a lip gloss from SHAINA Bee Miami, the Good Apple Foundation Balm from KVD Beauty, the Perfect Glow Concealer from PURLISSE, and the Latte Kitten palette from WINKY Luxe. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, holy cow, this is like the best box I've gotten from Ipsy, and I can't tell you how long. First off, I got 4 makeup items and 1 skincare. And the 1 skincare is a product I will use and enjoy. I love serums, and particularly I love vitamin C. I love lip gloss, and it's in a shade that rocks my world. I love complexion products. Now, the only slight little is I already own this, but that's on me. I love trying new concealers. I love eyeshadow, and particularly this type of color story, perfection. I even like the bag. Normally I can't stand these bags. It feels slightly different than normal. I don't know, polyester-y, but softer than normal. I love the neon string. It's a beautiful floral pattern. I can't even make a comment about the bag. All right, I'm gonna list the MSRP total value of this bag. I have no idea or concept of the value. I really don't care because I am enjoying, get ready, 5 out of 5 products from Ipsy. What is going on in the world? All right, now I want to hear from you. What do you think of my bag? Did you get the bag this month? If so, did you fare as well as I did? Maybe not the same products, but in the sense, did you love all 5 of your products? I am always curious what everyone else is getting, and if you loved and enjoyed your bag. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified the next time I post a video. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.